To download videos from Udemy, start by typing Udemy into your web browser's search bar and click on the udemy.com website. Next, click on the Login button and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see various categories, a search bar, and options like Udemy Business and My Learning. To proceed, go to the instructor dashboard by clicking on the Instructor option. From there, navigate to the course you're interested in by scrolling down and clicking on the Curriculum section. Then select the lecture you want to download and click on Preview. As an instructor, you'll see a gear icon in the video. Click on it to reveal the option to download the video. By following these steps, you can successfully download Udemy videos. If you find this information helpful, consider liking and sharing it. And for more tutorials and guides, you can subscribe to receive notifications about new content on similar topics. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.